Hi, I'm Jody Costello, founder of ContractorsFromHell.com, and today I'm going to talk about how to find an architect for house remodeling. There's a couple of different ways you can approach this task. You can ask friends or neighbors who have done some remodeling and ask about the architect they chose and how satisfied they were with him or her. You can take note of any projects around your community and inquire about who they're using. Some projects will have the architect sign posted on site. You can also go online using a search engine and put in your city and the word architects and view their websites and learn about their approach to design. Once you've settled on a few, you'll want to meet with them and ask questions. In evaluating architects, you want to feel confident that you'll be able to communicate on a regular basis and directly with the architect throughout your project. The following questions will help you make a good choice. Considering the size and scope of work of our project, what is your experience with similar projects? What do you see as important issues, challenges, or considerations in my project? How long do you estimate the design process will take? Who from the architect firm will I be dealing with on a regular basis? And is this the person who will design my project? What would you estimate the length of the construction process to be? What do you think I should budget for all the construction costs for the project? What is your role during construction? What project management services do you provide? Finally, you want to ask to see his or her portfolio of similar projects. Do your research and you'll find a good match.